listeners and viewers. Welcome to another episode on Rising Above Shadows of Abuse, RASA. In your view, what do survivors really need after the crisis phase is over?
Yeah, I mean, after, like you say, after they've had the initial support, be that with a charity, with a refuge, with mental health support, whatever those primary crisis services are, where Dandelion comes in. So we position ourselves as an aftercare for the aftercare. We're providing that stability, that sense of community, and kind of opportunities for people to explore what and who they want to become next. The key part of all of that is the community aspect to it, because it's all well and good me running a company that offers movement for survivors of domestic abuse, but without anyone in it the other people can relate to, not just me and my own lived experience, because we all have different lived experience with DA. Other people, I'm not just I'm the teacher, I'm the face of the company, so have others inside the community that can also say, yeah, like I've been through this, or have you found this network, or we're there to support and signpost and really uplift each other, and that's, I think, one of the biggest things that certainly helped me on my journey, and what I can see has helped others on theirs, is that sense of community and knowing that the ongoing help is out there, rather than just saying, okay, well, you've been through the worst of it now, this crisis phase that you've been in. The healing journey, if we want to call it that, is never over. Like, you've lived through what you've lived through, and for some of us, we might always need that support, and we might always need to lean on other people that have been through similar things, and that's more than okay. For others, it will be a choice of putting what's happened behind them and moving on and never wanting to talk about it again, and that's also okay. But I think a space like Dandelion does need to exist, so that people who want that support forever, indefinitely, can find it.
Thank you for sharing that.